What's up, friends? So I posted a poll on social media and I got some interesting feedback. I asked what out of the next four items contributes most to your monthly payment, or what impacts it the most. The four items were your interest rate, HOA fees and dues, whether they exist or not, property taxes, or the sales price. I was actually a little bit surprised by the answers and the feedback. The number one selected option was interest rates. And I know that seems subjective to the time we're in right now because we were spoiled a couple years ago with historically low rates, and then they climbed back up. And people seem to assume that that is what caused the lack of affordability, or what made people have to wait to buy a house. In short, it's actually all four of these things contribute to your monthly payment, and part of why we've seen the affordability struggle, or why things are so expensive right now, is because of all of these factors. Not only are interest rates a little bit higher, tidbit on that to come, property taxes went up, cost of insurance went up, but most importantly, and the factor that impacts your payment the most, is the sales price. Specifically, it's the loan amount, meaning if you put a larger down payment down, you can actually lower the monthly payment. Regardless, this sales price, or how much the home is worth, is what ultimately determines your payment. Now, we can get into the weeds when we're talking numbers. However, if you are considering buying a home and you're waiting for interest rates to drop, P.S. they have, then that could impact your payment. More importantly, if you wait for interest rates to drop further and prices continue to go up, that will impact your payment significantly more. Every $10,000 in sales price is about $50 a month. It could be more, it could be a little bit less. However, the 1% change in interest rates, which takes a long time to happen, is only going to save you about $100. Now, the average real estate market goes up about 3 to 5% every single year. So if you factor in this rate of appreciation, like we've seen over the last several years, even higher than 5%, it ends up being costlier in the long run. So as you've heard it said before, don't wait to buy real estate and wait. The interest rate is a snapshot in time. The sales price will always go up. So take advantage of today's prices. Rates have come down. There is more relief and affordability to come. And if you ever want to consider buying a house, or if we can help curate a plan with you, send us a message at info@EdenPropertiesVA.com. Again, that's info@EdenPropertiesVA.com, and we'll chat soon. Take care.